Oh, we're on? Oh, okay. Hey guys, thank you for coming to the channel. Welcome to Tech Blog DR. This is gonna be my first unboxing video, my first live unboxing video. I'm pretty stoked about this, and I've always wanted to do an unboxing. Today is the day that we do my first unboxing, and I wanted to share this experience, this wonderful experience with all of you, whoever's watching this. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe so you can keep receiving videos like this on your YouTube feed, alright? So today we're gonna unbox some smart lighting, because you know, everybody wanna be connected, everybody wanna have some smart home going on, some smart home action. Can we call it action? Yeah, smart home action, you know, like get this done, turn this light on, turn the music on. Well, now's the time to have smart lights, man. All right, affordable smart lighting. Okay, so that's the trick. That's the trick. Affordable smart lights for your affordable smart home. Smart homes, they don't have to be expensive, not anymore. Hopefully, we can change that here in the channel, so you can get the latest tech or insights in the latest tech for a lower budget. All right, guys. So for the first unboxing, we're gonna do this. These are the Sengled Element Classic A19 Smart Bulb. So this is a 2-pack. I bought them on Amazon for $40. The kit is 2 bulbs and a hub. Oh! I really don't like the idea of having a hub in this day and age. I mean, come on, guys. Guys, do we still need a hub? Please? Anyways. Yeah. So we do not need a hub anymore. Come on, guys. Anyway, we're gonna test this out. We're gonna unbox them first, obviously. I mean, it's gotta dry. Let me have a sip. Nectar of the gods. Anyways, let's proceed to the unboxing of the Sengled Smart Bulbs. Trusty knife. Cut right around. Alright, here we go. Let's dig into this bad boy. We got some literature right off the bat. Welcome. Thanks for purchasing a single product. Alright, the social network. Follow these guys in social media. Facebook, Facebook, Sengled. I don't know if you guys want to keep using Facebook after all this conundrum, you know. On Twitter, Sengled USA, and on Instagram, Sengled. Boom. Right, here's the quick guide. How to set this up. And I don't see any instructions on how to set this up or how to pair this up with your Echo device. But I assume they do hook up with the Echo device, because on Amazon it stated that they do work with Amazon. Well, the Echo device. I'm not gonna say the word because I don't wanna activate your little device at home, okay? Our little secret. Anyways, here we go. First thing out of the box, power brick. I'm assuming this is for the hub. Yep, of course. Ethernet cable. I'm assuming this is for the hub as well. Gonna need that. I mean, come on, smart bulbs. Okay, these are the bulbs themselves. 2 bulbs. 1, 2. Yeah. Let's try to get one out. Here we go. Nice little bulb. Nothing fancy. Nice little logo. Very good quality feel. I mean, the plastic and this little harder plastic, they feel sturdy, you know. They don't feel like they're gonna break in your hand. I mean, and for this price, this is a very good deal, guys. A very good deal. 2 bulbs and the hub. But afterwards, I mean, after you got this installed, right? If you want to add more bulbs, the bulb, you can find them on Amazon for $10. Any additional bulb. So that's a good deal. That's a good deal. And I don't know. I mean, you be the judge. Do you want to have smart lighting or not? No. And per hub, it can hold 50 bulbs. So it's not bad. So this is the bulb. It's the hub. Sorry. Small little guy. Small little guy. I don't think it's gonna be intrusive like I thought it was gonna be. You know. Nice little logo, clean setup, indoor use only, of course. So here we go, reset, WPS button, reset button, and the status indications light. All right. So that's the unboxing of these little smart bulbs. We're gonna do the review, and I'm gonna install these on my home. I'm gonna try them out for a couple of days. Hopefully, I'll make the review. Sorry, I'm gonna make the review. Got it, nailed it. And hopefully, I'll do a video and put it here on my channel. So I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna show you now, guys, the specs on the bulb itself, the specs that are written down on the box, so you can have a more detailed idea of what these bulbs are capable of. I mean, not capable of, but the facts of the bulbs, if you may, the wattage and all that good stuff. You know, the stuff we live for. Love the details. Anyways, thank you for sticking around. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'll leave links down in the description, links to where you can find this on Amazon, and links for my social media, and links for my blog, so you can read and, you know, check out all that good stuff. All right, see you next time. Hope you dig the video. Peace out. But don't leave. Remember, now I'm going to show you the facts of the bulbs. All right. Guys, so here are the facts. Okay, 9 watts maximum. That's the max wattage. 100 lumens, 2700K soft white, which is not bad. 25,000 hours, and 15,400 times on and off action. That's a lot. That's a very good number. I like that feature. Dimmer not compatible. So if you connect this to a dimmer, it will not work. Hopefully you have the dimming function on the app. Okay, 800 lumens. Yearly cost $1.08. Not bad. All right. These are all the specs per bulb. Okay. This is very good specs. $1.08. 22.8 years life based on 3 hours. I think it's going to be half that. Okay. And what else we got? Zigbee. All right. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you really liked the video. If you did, thumbs up and subscribe so you can keep receiving more content like this. Peace out.
Shit.